Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by 0.33% to 37,421.33 on November 20, 2023, compared to the same day last year. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 0.6% to 2018.01, compared to the same day last year. The price of Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT has increased by 2.6% to 252.7, compared to the same day last year.
Latest news.
OpenAI investors consider suing company board. Gensure sources report that investors in OpenAI are considering legal action against the company's board of directors. Meta restructures responsible AI team amid growing concerns. Meta is restructuring its responsible AI team to take a distributed approach, with the goal of embedding AI safety considerations into core products and technologies. The move is seen as a response to concerns about the potential misuse of generative AI, including privacy issues, racist associations, and gender-based job listing exclusions. The company is integrating its responsible AI team members into separate divisions across the company, while Meta's initiative to streamline operations is part of its year of efficiency called by CEO Mark Zuckerberg. Meta has a portfolio of AI tools, including Llama 2, a text-to-video generator, InPaint tool, and new AI assistant, with rumors of an upcoming Llama 3 next year. SEC inquiry stalls Celsius bankruptcy recovery plan. Celsius bankruptcy recovery plan facing challenges as SEC seeks more information. dYdX exchange targeted in alleged attack. 1 million insurance fund burned. dYdX exchange was targeted by an unknown individual or team on November 17, resulting in a 56 million surge in open interest and 1 million burning of the insurance fund. The exchange has implemented stopgap measures to prevent future incidents and is investigating the event. Founder Antonio Juliano has handed over information to the FBI, and any bounties given out will be used to reward community members for helping track down the attacker. The platform has also banned highly profitable trading strategies. Meanwhile, Abraham Eisenberg charged with criminal offenses, but his trial has been postponed. Shiba Inu introduces donate feature on Shibarium and partners with Manny, Pacquiao. Shiba Inu has introduced a donate functionality to its Layer 2 blockchain solution, Shibarium, allowing users to financially support non-profit validators who contribute to the network's security and efficiency. Since its launch in August, Shibarium has shown rapid progress, surpassing 1.5 million blocks and nearing 4 million transactions, indicating significant activity and growth on the network. The coin also announced a partnership with former professional boxer Manny Pacquiao, who expressed gratitude towards the SHRB community for supporting the Manny Pacquiao Foundation. The donate functionality enables users to donate money seamlessly to their preferred nonprofit validators, bolstering the overall integrity and resilience of the Shibarium network. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway accumulates record $157 billion in cash and treasuries. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has accumulated a record $157 billion in cash, treasury bills, and other liquid assets, preparing to capitalize on potential economic turmoil, according to Steve Hank, a professor of applied economics at Johns Hopkins University. The company's cash pile has grown by nearly $40 billion in the past 2 months, partly due to Buffett and his team selling $1 billion of stocks on a net basis last quarter. Hank believes that Buffett is anticipating troubled economic waters and is positioning himself to take advantage of potential bargains and attractive deals. Berkshire has a history of lending to and rescuing distressed financial institutions during economic downturns. During the financial crisis, Berkshire deployed $1 billion across 5 transactions in just about months, striking lucrative deals with Goldman Sachs, General Electric, Mars, Dow Chemical, and Swiss Re. Additionally, Berkshire earned over $4 billion of interest, dividend, and investment income last quarter, a 5% increase from the third quarter of last year, partly due to the Federal Reserve raising its benchmark interest rate from nearly 0 to over 5 since last spring, boosting Berkshire's returns from its treasuries. Hank suggests that Buffett's cash buildup positions him well to purchase discounted stocks and businesses and lend money at attractive rates if the economy falters. Meanwhile, he'll continue to earn a solid return with minimal risk thanks to higher bond yields. Other commentators, such as portfolio wealth advisors Chief Lee Munson, also view Buffett's growing cash reserves as a cautionary sign for investors, indicating that he may not see any attractive deals currently available. Microsoft and Nvidia stocks reach all-time highs amid AI sector developments. Microsoft's MSFT and Nvidia's NVDA stock prices rose after the ousting of OpenAI's CEO and co-founder Sam Altman. Altman was fired in a surprise announcement and replaced by Mira Murati and Amit Sher, respectively. Both Altman and OpenAI co-founder Greg Brockman have agreed to head up a new AI division at Microsoft. Nvidia's stock has experienced significant gains as the company shored up its position as the go-to outlet for artificial intelligence training hardware. The future of the November 20th highs and Altman's status at Microsoft remains uncertain, as a group of OpenAI's employees has penned an open letter demanding the company's board reinstate the former CEO or face a walkout. Nike launches public presale for RTFKT Dunk Genesis sneakers without NFT requirement. Nike has launched a public presale for its new RTFKT Dunk Genesis sneakers, allowing anyone to purchase the shoes without owning an NFT. The sneakers are priced at $222 each and come in two styles, the Ghost Edition and the Void Edition. The Ghost Edition has unique mods that can be detached to customize the look, while the Void Edition has the Vial Clip Tongue and Modular Heel Shield mods. Nike will offer up 3D files for owners to create their own mods. The Void Edition sneakers are expected to ship by July 31st, 2024, while the Ghost Edition shoes will ship by August 31, 2024. The RTFKT World Merging chip is used to connect the sneakers with NFTs, but it is unclear which blockchain Nike and RTFKT will mint the associated NFT collectibles on. Luxor Technology launches logistics division for crypto miners ahead of Bitcoin halving. Luxor Technology, a Bitcoin mining services firm, has launched a new division called Luxor Logistics to cater to the needs of crypto miners. The division will offer international and U.S. shipping, air and sea freight, trucking, customs clearance, insurance advisory, and warehousing solutions. The launch comes just months before the per-block rewards for Bitcoin mining are set to be cut in half, from 6.25 Bitcoin (BTC) to 3.125 BTC per block in April 2024. This event is expected to put financial pressure on certain companies in the sector. Luxor's new service aims to fill this gap by leveraging its own mining experience and understanding of equipment testing, packaging, and shipment arrangement for maximum efficiency. Luxor competitor Foundry Digital launched a logistics arm in July 2022, serving users of its trading desk for application-specific integrated circuits, ASICs. New Block Explorer Quantum aims to simplify Solana blockchain data presentation. Quantum, a block explorer for the Solana blockchain, has been developed by the team behind Solana FM to simplify the presentation of data. The service has attracted 53,000 signups as the Solana ecosystem recovers from a prolonged downtrend. Quantum prioritizes ease of readability over the detailed approach taken by many other Solana ecosystem explorers. The service aims to present crucial information about token transfers and addresses in an easy-to-understand format. Solana FM CEO Nicholas Chung acknowledged their previous Explorer was overbranded and confusing for first-time users. By changing the name to Quantum and improving the user experience, Chung hopes to capture a larger market share. Researchers develop AI tool to monitor and prevent harmful outputs in language models. Researchers at AutoGPT, Northeastern University, and Microsoft Research have developed a tool that can monitor large language models, LLMs, for potentially harmful outputs and prevent them from executing. The agent is described in a research paper titled Testing Language Model Agents Safely in the Wild. The tool is flexible enough to monitor existing LLMs and can stop harmful outputs such as code attacks before they happen. The researchers used a dataset of nearly 2,000 safe human AI interactions across 29 different tasks and a competing testing dataset filled with manually created adversarial outputs to train the agent. The tool is expected to be useful for ensuring the safety of LLMs in production. U.S. credit demand declines, expected to remain soft, according to New York Fed survey. The New York Federal Reserve's quarterly survey of consumer expectations credit access shows a decline in credit application rates, with the proportion of respondents planning to apply for more credit dropping to 12% in October and 12% for the year as a whole. The survey also highlights that interest in applying for more credit card debt increased, reaching 12% as of October, compared to a 7% credit card application rate in 2009. The report attributes the increase in credit card debt to the strong economy and robust consumer spending. The Federal Reserve has increased interest rates to slow the economy and bring inflation back to the 2% target, which has impacted the housing sector, resulting in reduced activity. Despite the rate increases, the economy has continued to perform strongly and the likelihood of activity remaining positive despite the Fed's monetary policy tightening has increased. Ubisoft launches NFT avatars for the Sandbox Metaverse game. Ubisoft is launching a new set of NFT avatars for its Metaverse game The Sandbox, based on its new Netflix animated series Captain Laserhawk, a Blood Dragon remix. The avatars will be released on Polygon, an Ethereum scaling network, and will include renditions of classic Ubisoft action hero Rayman and Jade and Paige, heroes from the cult classic game Beyond Good Evil. The minting of these avatars is scheduled for November 29th, but pricing has not been announced. Ubisoft has been actively involved in the Web3 world and recently announced plans for a free Ethereum NFT drop around its upcoming Champions Tactics game on the Oasis blockchain. The company has also collaborated with Immutable, a gaming platform tied to the Immutable X and Immutable ZKVM networks, and supported the Chronos and Hedera ecosystems.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.